Hello friends, we will start to discuss about some national affairs. So firstly we have to discuss about some news. So firstly you have to coming it and we have to reading some headlines. India's first national report on implementary of a Nagoya protocol. So ये सारे आपको हम यहाँ पर न्यूज़ दिखा रहे हैं सब कुछ हेडलाइंस. सो फर्स्टली हम कुछ कुछ नए नए इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़ पर जा रहे हैं. सो फर्स्टली you have to go that's a also that's or that's a one static points you can note down that Del- Delhi installed India's first microlage air tower to fight highway pollution. सो आपको जैसे पता ही है कि न्यू दिल्ली में वर्ल्ड्स नंबर वन पोल्यूटेंट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. सो in this happening of this causes, so the Delhi government take a very important risk to solve this problem. So he managed that static points that Delhi installs India's first microphone air tower to fight highway pollution. So I have to thank you about you have to coming in my channel. And also one also news, textiles minister. So you this is also a new point we have. Who is our textile minister? This is name Giriraj Singh launches Bharat Tex 2026 is a scheme about the textiles workers and other. And also we will talk about this is also a very important news. PM Modi inaugurate India's first Namo Bharat RRTS. So we will reading about this news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first Namo Bharat Regional Rapid Transit System (RRTS) and dedicated the 82-kilometer Delhi-Meerut Namo Bharat corridor to the nation. The project improves connectivity in the national capital region by linking major hubs such as Sarai Kale Khan, Anand Vihar, Ghaziabad and Meerut, reducing travel time between Delhi to Meerut. So is a very important. So we will discuss about another take as some important news. So there are many news, but we have to discuss about main important news that's a use of many exams and coming to very. So माफ़ी चाहता हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए. So last, this is a very important. Dr. Jitendra launches Sujika AI data portal of biotech products. So we will reading about this, how this is happen and what is this model. So project portal like that portal. Union Minister. So we will name a question also. Who is our Union Minister? Jitendra Singh launched the AI-driven Sujika biotech product data portal on the 40th foundation by the nearby the department. So he is a portal that's help us to very important manner. So finally we will discuss some national news on April 2026. So today and this will we have to discuss about some international affairs, like we will discuss about Argentina formally withdraw from WHO effective from मार्च 2026. तो यहाँ पर अर्जेंटीना ने अपने WHO के साथ एक कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है जिससे कि वो अपने जो पीपल्स हैं उनकी हेल्थ को ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव कर पाए और ज़्यादा कर पाए. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं आगे जैसे कि चलते हैं जैसे. तो ये ऑल्सो दिस इज बांग्लादेश बिकम 89th signatory to endorse New Delhi Declaration. So this means we have the New Delhi Declaration on AI impact, which was adopted in the India AI Impact Summit 2026, has been endorsed by 89 countries and international organizations, Bangladesh became the 89th signatory to endorse the AI Declaration. The India AI Impact Summit and Expo held in New Delhi reflected a broad global consensus on leveraging artificial intelligence for economic growth and social good, guided by principle of सर्जन हित्या सर्जन सुख्या. So इसमें हमें बताया जा रहा है कि बांग्लादेश ने न्यू दिल्ली के बाद अपना न्यू दिल्ली के बाद 89th कंट्री बनी है जो एआई के इम्पैक्ट में उसने अपना नया समिट लॉन्च करा है. सो इसका नेम सो एक न्यू पॉइंट्स वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द कैपिटल ऑफ the Venezuela capital is Caracas and currency is Bolivar Soberano. So why we will discuss about this Venezuela? So because in the many exams we will discuss about that, because many of the questions are asked about Venezuela capital and Venezuela currency. So we will discuss about the main point. So this is we will discuss about one also. United States and Venezuela agree to re-establish diplomatic relations. So you have to know about Venezuela and United States about. And one news is very important for us. Iran names Mojtaba Khamenei, son of Ali Khamenei, was appointed supreme leader of Iran by the Assembly of Experts after the Khamenei death. So there conflict between Khamenei sons and Khamenei sons. So this is my video. So if you want to tell me all about to say and all to give all any other news, so I also give some other news to you to take. So but thanks to for thank you.